Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick overview of this application. It's called Coral FSG, and it's basically a point of sale that you can use to print ticket using Bluetooth printer. So I built this application about like 3 years ago, and a lot of people download it and all that. So I just released a new update. One thing before we start, this is only available on Android phones and tablets, but also have the a version for iOS. So if you want like to use it on iPhone or iPad, just write a comment below, and if enough people are interested, I'm gonna release the iOS version. So all you have to do is go to the Google Play Store, and then you search for Coral FSG. This is how it shows up, and there is like my developer name. So you create account. I type in an email. I put in a password, right? It's gonna automatically create the password, right? So now, as you can see, there's a bunch of screen over here. There's dashboard, product, ticket, history, and settings. The first thing that you will need, because this is an application to build with Bluetooth printer, so you need a Bluetooth printer. Here I'm gonna use this one. This is the GPRT. It's a very cheap one, but you can use any type of printers. You can use something like that. This is a more advanced one. This is from Epson. It's also like Bluetooth. It works Bluetooth and NFC and all that. The setup is pretty much the same. It doesn't matter what device you use. The one thing that you have to do is go to the Bluetooth settings, right? So when you go to the Bluetooth setting, you have to pair the device. So when you turn it on, already have this printer paired with this device. It shows up as MTP2, right? But if it's not paired, all you have to do is pair new device, and then you wait, and there's a dialog message. Then you have to confirm. It's very easy. Now let's go back to the application. Now you can turn on the Bluetooth from here, or from the settings. It's the same thing. So when you click, right now it shows up as like this green icon. So when I type in on the device, right, it shows up as success, and now the LED indicator is blue, meaning it's connected. Now, as you can see here, we have a product screen. You got the customers, you got the taxes. You can add new product from here. You also have this page, which is the ticket. What I advise you to do is that you go to the settings, and you set up like the information. Okay, like let's say you give it an address, let's say a Broadway. This is just an example. A currency, you can use a symbol, or you can use letters. The problem with symbols is that, for example, for euros it comes after the number, and for USD, for dollars, it comes before. So I'll just like advise you to put letters instead of a symbol. Here you can type in any message that's gonna show up on the ticket. So when you save the information, I'm gonna add some product. It's very easy to add product. Let's say, okay, now I have added a bunch of products, and you can see there's this pin icon over here. This is kind of very important, right? I'm gonna show you why is it. You can also add customers. If you're working with regular customers, you can add taxes with the percentage and all that. It doesn't work globally in every single receipt, but you gotta set it up for every ticket. If you're interested in making it global and it works for pretty much all the ticket, let me know in the comments. I'll do that. That's very straightforward. So when you go to the ticket screen, you can add a product like here, and see when I pin these two products, they show up on top. This is a horizontal type of list. You can scroll horizontally, but there is not a lot of products, so you can see that. You can also search, for example, you can search for laptop. It's going to show up like that. So when you select, you gotta input the quantity. As you can see, it does input I can add another product, for example, cookies, like I'm selling 5 cookies. And now, as you can see, the printer is still connected, and all I have to do is print and it's gonna print the ticket. Let me print a second one. Okay, so this is the ticket. If I can show it on the screen correctly, right? As you can see, there's all the product, there's the message we've set up, and so that's pretty much it. And then when you go to the history, you're gonna find all the receipt that you printed previously. If you just want to save it without having to print, you can do that, and then when you go to the history, you're gonna find it over here, right? And so that's pretty much it. It's very simple. There's not a lot of advanced features, but if you have like a database that you're working with, or you have an e-commerce store, something like that, you can just send me a message. I'm gonna leave my contact information on the description below. You can send me a message and we can work together. We can take the same application, we can connect it to your database, or like I said, or your e-commerce store. We can do other features if that's what you're looking for. And and just let me know if you just want to use it like that. You can download it for free, and like I said in the beginning, if you want the iOS version, let me know. I will release it. So this is a quick overview of Coral FSG. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.